Essential UI/UX design tools.
UI and UX designers rely on a range of digital tools to create intuitive, visually appealing products. Mastering the right software not only boosts your workflow, but also improves collaboration and hireability. Let's explore the most popular tools in the industry and discover why learning them is crucial for building a successful design career.
Figma, the collaborative powerhouse.
Figma has revolutionized UI/UX design with its real-time collaboration features. It runs in the browser, making it easy to work with teammates anywhere. Figma offers powerful vector editing, prototyping, and design systems tools. Its popularity among design teams means Figma's skills are in high demand, especially for remote and agile workplaces.
Sketch, a Mac designer staple.
Sketch is a vector-based design tool exclusive to macOS. It's known for its intuitive interface and extensive plugin ecosystem. Sketch has been a standard in UI/UX design for years, particularly for Apple-centric teams. It's ideal for creating wireframes, layouts, and interactive prototypes, and integrates seamlessly with other design workflows.
Adobe XD, familiarity meets flexibility.
Adobe XD brings the power of Adobe's Creative Suite to UI/UX design, offering easy integration with Photoshop and Illustrator. It allows designers to create interactive prototypes and test user flows efficiently. Companies value Adobe XD for its robust features and reliable performance, making it a strong addition to your skill set.
Prototyping and wireframing tools.
Like InVision and Marvel, let designers present interactive mockups and get user feedback early. Tools like Balsamiq and Axure help with rapid wireframing and high-fidelity prototypes. Learning these tools gives you the flexibility to visualize ideas quickly, communicate with stakeholders, and adjust designs based on feedback.
Choosing the right tools for your career.
With so many options, it's important to learn the tools most valued by employers and popular in your design community. Start with Figma or Sketch, then expand to tools like Adobe XD or specialized prototyping software. Building proficiency in industry-standard tools will help you contribute confidently to any UI/UX project.